Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health and studies at home. This is your grade 7 English language grammar skills video lecture number 5. Your chapter number is 21 and your topic is direct and indirect speech on page number 118. We can narrate something said by someone in two ways. Number 1, either he repeat his words. Number 2, convey the same meaning in our own words. Reporting speech. The former mode of communication is reporting speech. Reported speech. The latter expression is called reported speech. For example, Ali said, I am good. In this, Ali said, is reporting speech, while, I am good, is reported speech. Conversion table of verbs. While changing the speech of a sentence we must keep these conversions in mind. Is, am, are is changed into, was, were. Was, were is changed into, had been. Has, have is changed into, had. Will, shall is changed into, would. Can is changed into could. May is changed into might. Present indefinite, go is changed into past indefinite, went. Past indefinite, went is changed into past perfect, had gone. Past perfect, had gone is not changed. Present continuous, is, am, are going is changed into past continuous, was, were going. Past continuous, was, were going is changed into past perfect, had been going. Present perfect is changed into past perfect. Conversion table of adverbs. Tonight is changed into that night. Today is changed into that day. Yesterday is changed into the previous day. This or these is changed into that or those. Now is changed into then. Before is changed into ago. Tomorrow is changed into the next day. Here is changed into there. Examples. Number 1, he says, I am ill, is changed into, he says that he is ill. Number 2, they said, God helps those who help themselves, is changed into, they said that God helps those who help themselves. Number 3, he said to me, do not go outside, is changed into, he forbade me to go outside. Number 4, she said to me, please listen to me, is changed into, she requested me to listen to her. Number 5, I said to them, where were they going yesterday, is changed into, I asked them where they had been going the previous day. Number 6, he said, hurrah! We won the match, is changed into, he exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Number 7, she said, alas! My cousin died in the bus accident, is converted into, she exclaimed with sorrow that her cousin died in the bus accident. Number 8, he said to me, may you live long. Is changed into, he prayed that I might live long. Number 9, he said, would that I were born in England, is changed into, he wished that he had been born in England. Number 10, he said to me, may you never find happiness, is changed into, he cursed that I might never find happiness. Number 11, he says, let us play football, is changed into, he suggested that they should play football. Number 12, he said, let me go outside, is changed into, he requested to let him go outside. Assignment. Dear students, solve the exercises given in your workbook on following pages. Page number 118, 119, 120, 121 and 122. Complete your assignment as it would be checked by your teacher when you come back to school after summer vacations. Students, your syllabus is finished. Next time you will get worksheets for revision which you'll do in your notebooks. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of the Broadway School for further video lectures. Take care, Allah Hafiz.